Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to integrate Teradata Vantage with other Azure services. I found this information from Teradata site and I found it very useful. In case in your project, if you're using Teradata Vantage and if you're wondering how to connect with uh, other cloud providers, in particular Azure, so I think this video will help you to get started. So I'll provide the link in the description. Okay. As we know, Teradata Vantage Cloud on Azure is a fully managed service deployed in Teradata-owned Azure subscription, and Teradata recommends these connectivity options like Azure Private Link, VNet Peering, and Azure Express Route. And some of the prerequisites include this Teradata Vantage Cloud Enterprise 17.20 version, and we need Azure Data Factory and Synapse Analytics for doing any data processing or data integration, and Azure Blob Storage or ADLS Gen 2, Teradata tools and utilities, and Teradata ODBC drivers. So once we have this integration done, so basically this would increase the scope of our data engineering landscape. So this this integration would simplify the ease of data sharing between any uh, cloud services in and Teradata. So let's take an example. We have our data stored in blob storage, and the data needs to be integrated with Teradata database. So simply, once after establishing this connection, so all we need to do is we need to provision a data Azure Data Factory service or Synapse Analytics, build a data pipeline, and before that, we need to establish a link service to define a connection with settings with the Teradata. And once that is done, we can build pipelines to extract the data that would extract the data from blob storage and load the data into Teradata. And likewise, in case if you wanted to download the data from Teradata into blob storage, the same thing can also be done using pipelines. So, and one other cool feature which Teradata Vantage offers is there is a new feature called as Native Object Store (NOS). So, with this approach, you can directly query the data query the data that is available in the blob storage by supplying certain extensions of SQL. So that way, you don't need to actually you don't need to build pipelines to bring the data from Azure to Teradata database and then query the data. Rather, with the help of the native object store functionality, we can supply the SQL commands to connect to the blob storage and query the data. So this would help us in doing any kind of ad hoc data exploration. So I think you would have found this piece of information quite useful. So thanks for watching.